the problem star. In Chinese, we call it Tian Rui. So Tian Rui star also stands for anything related to metaphysics, religious, or anything spiritual. So before you even join this lesson, I will have to see this star in your birth chart. And from there, I have to see your relationship between this star itself, which is the metaphysics star. So in the event that there's a direct clash, I will not accept you as a student. So I will say most of you have the relationship with this metaphysics, whether is it producing or in harmony. And sometimes certain years of your life, you will have a relationship. Some years you may not have a relationship. So I will look at individual case by case basis. So this is one of the reference point I will look at it. And it's also a symbol of health. That means anything related to divination of health, we use this problem star as a form of representation to see the problem star. What are the doors there? What are the gods there? What are the other information there to tell us what is the problem of your health? Okay, later we'll give one example. And also in terms of divination, if you see a problem star, means things which are questionable. Also can represent a student if you want to talk about whether study or education. And for character, somebody who's easygoing, humble, and like to dream. So directly, problem star equals to illness, somebody who is ill. Okay, so this one also have to take note because it's one of the major things you will be able to see later on, because there will be a lot of questions related to health as we go along. So especially during COVID time, there will be a lot of people asking you about this. If I have a COVID situation, what will I do? Will I survive? The kind of thing.